channel. Today we're going to be making beignets from the movie Princess and the Frog. So let's get started. You will need granulated sugar, warm water, active dry yeast, salt, eggs, evaporated milk, shortening, bread flour. We're going to be using powdered sugar and honey for the topping. The recipe does not call for honey, but we want it to be a little bit more authentic, so we will be drizzling honey over them as well. So I'm just going to be mixing the yeast, sugar, and water and let it proof for 5 minutes. You want to add your eggs, your salt, and your evaporated milk. Then you want to mix until well combined. Mixing on low, you want to add your yeast mixture. I'm just going to transfer the egg mixture into a bigger bowl. Now we're just going to add some of the flour. Add in your shortening. Knead until it is smooth. You just want to grease your bowl. Now you just want to place your dough into the greased bowl and cover with a damp cloth. You want to let your dough rise for 2 hours in a warm area, and it will be doubled in size when it is done rising. So our dough has risen double in size, so we're going to roll it out now. So you want to sprinkle your countertop wherever you're laying out your dough very generously. You want to roll it out till it's a 1/4 inch thick. And don't knead the flour into the dough. Now you want to heat your oil to fry the beignets. Now you want to cut the beignets into 2-inch squares. Now we're just gonna fry them until they're nice and golden brown. And they fry very quickly, so watch them very carefully. And now you want to put powdered sugar all over them. And now we are going to be trying these beignets. They are so delicious. I've seen our director Tina eating them before, and she made them look so good, and they're just as good as I thought they'd be. Even better. We weren't allowed to eat them because it was supposed to be authentic, us trying them, but they're so worth the wait. Look, it's like completely hollow from inside. Really fluffy. I obviously chose the fluffiest one because, yeah. It's so good though. I know. Oh goodness. No wonder the people in the movie liked it so much. I've always wanted to try these. I've always seen the movie Princess and the Frog, and those beignets just look amazing. And the people in the restaurant, they really liked them too. Now we get to finally try it. They taste a little bit like råkjuten. Sometimes we have råkjuten. They're like fried dough like this too, and we eat them with watermelon. These are really good too. But yeah, I would definitely suggest that you guys try these. Like I can't even explain how good they are. Like Trudy was saying, they taste like råkjuten, but these are like, they have a hint of sweetness to them, and it's just, might be my new favorite thing. Like maybe one of the best from all of the videos. I love lemon bars, but these are really good too. And I would definitely say do not miss out the honey on these beignets because they make them taste so much better. Bye guys. Thank you for watching, and comment down below if you liked them or how your recipe turned out, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then please give it a thumbs down because we like to know either way. Bye. Bye. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making beignets from the movie Princess and the Frog. We'll put a picture right up here, and that's what we're going to make. And I've never felt this way.